Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing a Bell high volume floor pump. So I recently got this Bell. I got it as a gift because we started riding bikes again. I'm actually opening up the package because it's actually kind of big. This is actually the defective Bell pipe, and I'll explain to you guys in a bit how great Bell customer service is. I've been using Bell products for a long time. Love their stuff, great quality stuff. I know there's been more competitors that have been using other than Bell products or feel like Bell doesn't make good enough products. Well, I'll tell you this right now. Bell products stands by their products no matter what. And I'll explain what happened, the situation was when I gifted it. Yes, I am currently opening up another Bell as we're speaking because I'm not gonna waste any time. And we have the package here, contents, which is a new floor pump, and yeah, this is it. Awesome. So we'll leave that for now. Take out this other Bell pump, an upgraded version. Great packaging. Love the fact that they use the most. And what do we got here? This is straight from their warehouse. Now we're looking at the other Bell pump. All right, I'm gonna try to see if I can. All right, let's do this. All right, so this is a Florinado that we got as a gift, as a bike pump, and this is I think it's the fastest inflation. Gives us that type of quality. This is a Zephyr 550. So and actually I like the fact that it comes with these. This one comes with this as well. This is a discontinued product, so it's understandable. And this is their latest product. So my situation, why I'm explaining why I'm gonna be proudly supporting Bell from now on, is the fact that there was no questions asked. They said, hey, what's wrong with the product? And they looked up the product. They asked me, hey, what's wrong with it? And as you can tell, this is like up to date. And they said that, yeah, just get rid of this one, which I am, because it is pretty dangerous. The fact that this floor pump was actually injuring my nail bed when basically putting it. So we're about to find out if this was fixed or not. And it's like a defective thing. So here was a situation. I'm gonna try to. All right, guys. So basically, here's the problem that I wanted to address in a bit. Sorry about that. I actually dropped my camera into the floor and it fell into the sink water, and then it fell into the rainfall, and you know what's up. So here's a problem that was wrong with it. So as you can see here, it takes a bit of force to actually push it. Now others might say, oh, well, like you gotta like build your string fingers. I'm like, yeah, you can do that, but when you're putting this into a rim and the rim is in the way and it hits your nail bed, that's not good. So it's supposed to be easy, and apparently this is open, so it would actually go into the pump. And then in order for you to lock it in so the air won't come out, you have to do it like this. So that doesn't make sense, because usually this means open and you can insert into the valve pipe, but it doesn't work that way. It's technically this is open and this is closed. So see, as you can see, I'm struggling, and you can hear that snap. And usually happens is when I'm putting it and I'm going down and I have to do this, my nail bed gets in the way. Why does the nail bed get in the way? Because the rim's in the way. So as the rim's there and I'm struggling to put air, I have to let it go, and it just slams into my nail bed, which I've already had. I had bruising, internal bleeding, not severely bleeding, but at least, you know what I mean, being numb for a whole week. So I reached Bell, and like I said, great customer service. They sent me, well, time to throw this one away. And they sent me this, and the research did like, hey, yeah, we don't make that product no more. So now we got the Zephyr 550, and well, let's try it out. It's like a moment of truth. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Notice that I haven't even like packaged it down or anything because I actually want to see it. So yeah, and this is it. I mean, this is great. I mean, there's like not a, see, look how easy that is to like put in and out. Look at that. That's so easy compared to the other one. It's super easy. Like literally, like I don't feel like I'm gonna hit my nail bed, and it's just straight to the point. So other than that, I think this is great. I like it, and it's safe, and it has like a little grip. And like I said, hopefully it's not like the same one where it's like basically pushing it in, or this means open and this means closed. It's so strange. But other than that, I know it was defective with the other one. So yeah, guys, there you have it. And the pump's pretty good for it. Also, I know a lot of people like tend to I wouldn't recommend you throwing this away, because you can actually hang it from the wall. So some people might throw that away, but I don't. I utilize what I can with any product that you receive. And I like the fact that it comes with these two extras, because we tend to lose them. Other than that, I think this is a great product. Once again, shout out to Bell. Thank you for addressing my concern. Looking forward to buying another product. I'm actually gonna buy one of their seats. But here's a little closer for the product, the Zephyr 550, and it comes with all these. Like I said, it's way easier to use. The floor pumps right here, little extras, especially the Presto valves. It's like I haven't used those before, and of course, no adapting necessary. Mountain bikes, cruiser bikes, BMX, and kids bikes. So, also I love the finish on this. Usually we go for mountain bikes. I know this was a big problem with other pumps that we had before, where we never had a gauge, we don't know what's the limit before like they pop. Of course you check the tire, but this is just new technology. Other than that, guys, I think we're set. As you can tell, be careful if you do see Florinado. You can tell by the difference. Be careful with this one. This one might be defective. As you can see, I can't even open it with one finger compared to this one over here. It makes a big difference on opening both. So other than that, I think we're good. I will talk to you guys later, and thanks, Bell, once again for helping me out with the situation, and we'll see you next time. Ride on, or air on.